Hi everyone, and let's make a heart icon. First of all, we need a square shape. So we choose rectangle 2, then fill. I choose red color, then stroke off, and after that make some square shape like this with the shift and left mouse button. Then select selection tool, turn like this with shift and then make it smaller with option on macOS and Alt on Windows with shift and left mouse button. So press option or Alt, shift and left mouse button. Then select pen tool and at the middle of this line push option or Alt. You can see how it changes. So option or alt with the left mouse button like this, and then add shift, and you can see what happens. And repeat on the another side. Option or alt with the left mouse button, then add shift, and you can see like this. After that, first of all, let go left mouse button and then other buttons. So you can see a heart icon. And another method to make heart icon. So we choose ellipse tool and do this. Bump. Then turn like this to dooms. And then make a copy. Command on macOS and Control on Windows. Press Command with C. We copy. It makes a copy, and then Command or Control with F. And we see we make a copy. And at the same place. And then right mouse button, click, then transform, reflect, vertical, okay, and with left mouse button and shift, do like this. Here it is. Select all this, Command or Control with G button on the keyboard, and in the Pathfinder click here. So you can see a heart icon. Thank you for watching. See ya.